Hey guys, how you doing? Welcome back to our channel. Today we bring you a new safety device that's worth a look if you want to make sure you are safe from any potential exposure to harmful gas leaks. So in this video we're going to look at this little device and see how it performs. But before we do that, if you enjoy watching our gas detection series and want to see more of such content, be sure to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon so you get notified every time we publish a new video. Alright, let's first take a look at the box here. Let's open this thing up and see what you'll get in the box if you purchase our product. Right inside here is our gas detector, very small and compact. It's also got a calibration cap. This component comes with an integral tube and it's used for calibration when attached to the large sampling port of the device. And of course you get the user menu and a QC card. Make sure you get familiarized with the menu before putting it into use. So it's very simple but nice and neat. If you're wondering, this detector is battery powered and runs on 3.6 volts with no hassle of recharging, and thanks to that you can take it on the go too. So this is the actual device. Small and compact as it is, it features an impressively large built-in gas inlet that allows you to quickly draw in ambient air for real-time measurements. Another distinct feature about this product is its attractive big LCD screen in the front and center. What's more, this device is quite sleek and stylish with its minimal 2-button controls, making it much easier for you to manage the device in single hand. On top of this device also includes some helpful extras like the audio alarm buzzer and the visual LED flashing light. Right on the back here you can see a back clip for users to clip on their work clothes or tool belt. And if you flip up the clip, here comes a nice little metal hook so you can hang it off anywhere to your liking. Compact and round design will fit in your pocket very conveniently without trouble at all. Let's jump right into the startup. Press and hold the power button for about 3 seconds to turn it on, and you can see the light and hear beeps immediately upon startup. The startup sequence is shown as follows. It first shows us the screen display info, then it gives us its firmware version, measurement range and alarm details on high, low, TWA and style. Then the unit goes through a 60-second warm-up countdown until it pumps on. And after priming it in fresh air for about a minute, we're fired up to use this to narrow down any possible gas leak. Now you see it's ready to go, so let's do a little bit of testing with this unit and see how it works. This single gas detector is a diffusion type, which is especially suitable for confined space detection. Here we're going to bring in some butane from this lighter. We're going to see what will happen as we get closer to it. Well, here it goes. You see how it goes crazy when the gas is detected in the vicinity. This unit gives you a visual and audible alarm, where it emits flashing red light on the top there, and at the same time you have beeps with a 95 decibel sound warning to alert you to be vigilant. Then, as the gas source goes away, it still senses the gas for a while, and then starts recovering to the previous level. As it settles down, the alarm turns off, and the oxygen reading goes back to the standard level. So that shows you right there how that works. And to shut this thing off, all you have to do is hold this button for 5 seconds, and 4, 3, 2, 1, it's off. Alright folks, there you have it. A quick unboxing and demonstration of this very useful, convenient and inexpensive gas detection device. Given its features, this device deserves to be a must-have for almost everyone, whether you're a homeowner, RVer or DIYer who needs to know if you have any kind of gas leak in your living or working area at a moment's notice. We have more different models for you to choose from on our website, from portable types to fixed types, and designed for various detection needs. If you want to learn more details about this product or pick yourself up one, be sure to check the links in the description below. For more products and services, please visit our website, www.ato.com. And as always, thank you guys for watching. If we helped you out in any way, please rate a thumbs up, and we'll see you soon in our next video.